Welcome to the Empower Retirement Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to the product are provided in the description below. In this video, I'll be walking you through the features of Empower's retirement planning tool, highlighting what it offers, how it works, and who it's best suited for. Whether you're looking to start planning for retirement or refine your current strategy, Empower offers a comprehensive solution. Empower's retirement planning tool is designed to make retirement planning simple and accessible, even for those who are new to the process. The platform is built for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, guided way to plan for the future. Whether you're a beginner, just starting to save, or someone with an existing portfolio looking for better management and growth, Empower is especially beneficial for people who prefer a more hands-off approach to retirement savings. Find that as it includes features like automatic contributions and diversified investment options. One of the tool's standout features is its personalized retirement projections. After entering basic information like your age, income, current savings, and retirement goals, Empower generates a custom plan that projects how much you'll need to save and invest to meet your targets. You can also track your progress and see how adjustments like increasing contributions or adjusting your retirement age can impact your future savings. Empower's tool also offers automatic portfolio management, meaning that the system selects and manages a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds for you. You won't need to worry about rebalancing your investments, as the platform does this automatically based on your retirement timeline and risk tolerance. Plus, Empower provides retirement advice from certified professionals, ensuring that you have expert guidance along the way. In conclusion, Empower's retirement tool is an excellent choice for those looking for an automated, personalized, and easy-to-manage retirement plan. Whether you're just getting started or need a more hands-off approach to your saving strategy, Empower provides all the tools you need to ensure a successful retirement. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information.